Let's face it, no one wants to go to jail. So in California, there are alternative sentencing options, which are alternatives to a county jail sentence. Now, while alternative sentences still exist to punish, most provide an activity that is more productive than just sitting in a jail cell. But perhaps even better, alternative sentences are generally safer than being in a county jail. The first option is Caltrans roadside work. A Caltrans workday lasts 8 hours and it involves picking up trash, clearing brush, and graffiti removal from freeways. It's pretty physically strenuous work, and each hour of cleanup is equal to 1 hour of a jail sentence. The next option is community service, which requires an individual to work without pay for a civic or nonprofit organization. The defendant is allowed to continue to live at home while contributing to a good cause. The drawback to community service is that you generally have to do double the amount of community service in relation to Caltrans. So if you're ordered to do, say, 20 hours of Caltrans, you will likely have to do 40 hours of community service. The next option is electronic monitoring, also known as house arrest, which allows a convicted DUI offender to remain confined at home instead of jail, usually through the use of an electronic bracelet. The downside is that the bracelet can be really uncomfortable to some people, and of course you have to pay for it. Next is incarceration in a private or city jail. Private jail is most often sought in second-time DUI cases where an individual has to serve at least 96 hours of county jail. Now, private jail is not cheap. You have to pay to stay. It ranges anywhere from $45 to $250 depending on the location. However, for most people, having a private cell in which they can sleep without worry is worth the additional cost. And the final option is taking up residence in a sober living environment.